Yes.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, sir.
Okay, so how are you all?
So fine.
Fine, sir.
Well, sir.
Enjoying the lockdown or what?
It's getting too boring day by
Just
day.
enjoying the rainfall, sir.
Means foundation classes are boring. Getting bored.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, not at all.
Maybe for someone this is boring, and for someone it is means like gaining the new knowledge and the things whatever we have taught here.
Absolutely.
So this is
right, sir.
basically foundation
Absolutely
classes
right.
are just to make you guys aware ki what is the hospitality for. Okay, so you guys know
Yes,
I
sir.
am taking care of housekeeping here. So today we gonna means
Yes, sir.
I gonna show you the live towel art session. What kind of towel art we do in the hotels, and what are the occasions in which we do the towel arts. Okay, so I will ask a question to everyone. Are you guys aware about what is towel art?
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Nobody knows what is towel
No,
art.
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
So, how many you have means made something from your means what you call handkerchief in your childhood? Have you guys ever made any kind of design or any kind of like बचपन में आप लोगों ने
Yes,
किया
sir.
होगा कभी ना कभी पेपर से किया होगा या आपके
Yes,
हैंकी
sir.
से किया
Yes.
होगा है ना तो
Yes, sir.
that is the same thing we will do today. Okay, but first so guys, are you means able to see the screen
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
on your
Absolutely,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
desktops? So basically, before starting the demonstration, I will let you know that what is a towel art. Okay, so you can see on your screen there is a towel art. Just a second, guys. So it is called Swan. Okay, so it is made of the towels and the flowers which has been used to decorate the bed. Okay, so first of all, you should know what is towel art. But before that, the today's session's objectives, what we gonna learn today. Okay, so first thing you will learn that is what is a towel art. Towel art क्या होता है? Second thing, you will learn why we do towel art in the guest rooms. What are the occasions and what are the purposes for what we make towel arts. Third is when we will do the towel arts. कि कब हम लोग towel art बनाते हैं, in what occasion we made towel art, and what are the reasons, and at the end it will be demonstration. I will show you that how we made towel arts. Okay, so first thing is what is towel art. A towel art is a depiction of an animal created by folding small towels. It is conceptually similar to origami, but uses towels rather than paper. So it is basically an animal art which has been created by the towels instead of paper. Okay. Some common towel animals are elephants, snakes, and rabbits and swans. Okay, so these are the common towel arts which we made in hotel rooms. Okay, you can see in your on your screen one and the other towel arts. Okay. Second thing, why do we do towel arts in the guest room? What is the reason? कि क्या पर्पज होता है towel art बनाने का? The first is to make the guest stay memorable. So whenever means if guest is staying in the guest rooms or in the hotel, so जो guest का first impression, as you all know, the first impression is the last impression. Okay, so whenever guest is entering in the guest room and when he will see the towel arts on his bed, so obviously guest will be impressed. Okay, and second thing, for engaging guest, गेस्ट को एंगेज करने के लिए टावल आर्ट्स बनाया जाता है कि मींस they will enjoy the towel arts or they will means like it is eye appealing things. Okay, third is making raving fans. Making raving fans, it means कि if you are means making a towel art, then guest will be your fan. Obviously, if you are doing something, so in whatever expertise you have, then guest will be means you are big fan ki yes, this means room attendant, he have made something for me. Okay, then he will be your fan. Then next question is when we do towel arts. अब towel art कब बनाए जाते हैं? What are the occasions we made towel arts? Everyday, like everyday जो operations हैं जो होटल में होता है in housekeeping operations, we do the towel art. Okay, in current scenario, lots of hotels, they are used to make towel arts on everyday basis. Okay, for their guests. And in some hotels, they are making towel arts on special occasions like honeymoon, okay, wedding anniversary, or guest birthday, to impress the guest, okay, or to create a good atmosphere inside the guest room. Okay, guys. So have you understood whatever has been taught till yet?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you can see on your screen, there are some towel arts like anniversary cake, elephant, monkey, dog, mouse, birthday cake. So these all are the means made of towel. Okay, so these are the kind of towel arts, and we will do the same today. Okay, now I will demonstrate the towel art to you guys. Okay, so please be on screen and be attentive, because whatever I am doing today, you guys have to demonstrate it later on. Okay, so if you अगर आपके पास schedule होगा foundation class का, तो there is a section of demonstrating the things whatever we are telling you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So later on, you guys have to demonstrate us कि what you guys have learned till yet. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
be
Absolutely.
online. Within 5 minutes, I will start the demonstration. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
let me prepare for that. Okay, and within 5 minutes, I will be back. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So welcome you again, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So before starting the towel art, I will introduce you with my current student, Mr. Tattvam. He is my current student. Okay.
Good morning, everyone.
So he will be helping me out for the today's towel art session, and he also have learned some towel arts in Servo Hospitality School. So he will also showcase you his skill. Okay. So before starting the towel art, I will tell you the what kind of towel we are using for today's session. Okay. So first, this is the bath towel. It is called bath towel. Okay, so this is the full body length towel which we will use. It is called bath towel. Okay, you can see the length. Okay, guys. And second towel we will use, that is hand towel. You can see its length. It is called hand towel. It is basically to wash your to wipe out your face or to wipe out your hand. It will be used for. Okay. Then third towel, that is face towel. You can see the diameter of this. It will be 12 into 12 or 18 into 18 inches. Okay. So it is called face towel. It is basically to wash your, to wipe your face or hand. It is also you can use for your, to wipe your hands or face. Okay. So these are the towels which we will use to make the towel arts. So let's start the demonstration. The first towel art we will make, that is towel cake. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Okay,
guys
sir.
ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Absolutely, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first for towel cake, we have to take 2 bath towel and 3 bath towel and 1 hand towel. Okay, so bath towel we will take 3. So we will start the process. First, spread the towel like this. Okay, then you have to fold one corner of towel till the middle. Then repeat the process. With the other corner. Then fold it into half. Are you guys understanding? Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
You have to fold it into half. Then you have to roll this towel from one corner to another corner. Okay, like this. Okay, and at the end of this corner, you have to pin. I don't have pin, but you can fold this towel like this to hold this roll, otherwise it will be open. Okay. Then we
Okay,
will
sir.
repeat the process with the another towel. The same thing you have to do. You have to spread the bath towel. You have to fold the towel into half from both the corners. Okay, and then again you have to fold it into half. The same process I have repeated. Now what you have to do, you have to roll this towel inside the new towel. Okay, like this. So this is the one story of your cake, towel cake. Okay, so keep it aside. Then you have to take one more towel, that is bath towel. You have to take again, spread it and repeat the process. And again you have to fold it into half. And again roll down the towel. Okay, so this is the second story of your cake. You will put it like this. Okay, so now it's getting a shape of cake. Okay, then you will take a hand towel. You have to fold it into half by overlapping the both corners. Okay, and again the same process of rolling. you will roll it like this. So your cake is ready now. Okay, for decoration you can put the bow. You can easily find this kind of bow in in shops. Okay, so this is the towel cake. Towel cake, it has been ready now. So it is looking like a cake. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
like the cake or not? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Getting,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so this is the one towel art, that is towel cake. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In demonstration, it will be means you will feel it is very easy to make, but when you will try, then you will know what kind of effort it take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes,
I
sir.
will disassemble this and I will show you the another towel art. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next towel art we will make, that is snail. Snail. Snail, you know what is snail? Guys, please be means communicative.
Okay, sir.
I'm asking something. Are you guys do you know what is snail?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं घोंघा?
He's making snail chocolate.
Yes, sir.
You can see snail in monsoon season. Lots of snail roam around in your home also. So now I will tell you how to make snail. For snail, you will require 2 bath towel.
ये क्या किया? Is he on कर रहा है? इसने on किया? इसने किया?
So for snail, first you have to spread the bath towel and then you have to fold the top right corner till the middle in diagonal shape. Okay, then same repeat the process with the another corner. Now you have to roll it from the left corner diagonally, like this. You have to hold the middle of the towel and then roll it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then repeat the process from the other end.
चुन देना जल्दी दे
It should look like this. If you can see,
Yes, sir.
it should look like this. Okay. Then you have to take another towel and you have to roll that towel like this. Okay, like we have rolled it, we have rolled in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the same process will be there. Okay, so I am not doing that. Actually, I have already a rolled out towel. So you will keep this towel in the center of the first towel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then you will hold this like this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It should be rolled like this. Okay. And then the open end of the towel, you have to insert it inside the fold. So your snail is ready. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next, towel art we will make, that is mouse. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, okay, sir.
So for making mouse, you need one hand towel. Okay, one hand towel and one face towel. Okay, the smallest one.
Yes, sir.
So we will begin the process. You have to spread the hand towel, then you have to fold it into half. Okay, from one end, and repeat the process by overlapping the another end. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then you have to make a fold like this. Okay, by holding a corner. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can see how I am doing it. You have to hold a corner,
Absolutely,
okay,
sir.
and you have to means fold it into half of the towel. Okay, like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys,
Yes, sir.
and roll it from the
रुकिए on करो.
folded corner. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like this.
पेपर से उठा के वो फेंको, अभी तेरी क्लास शुरू हो जाएगी फिर तू नहीं करेगा. जल्दी करो, जाओ. सलमा आएगी अभी, काम करने जाओ.
So this is the body of rat. Okay, this is his tail. Okay, mouse tail, and this is his body. Now we will make his head. Now for head, we will take face towel. Okay, and we have to make triangle first, like this. Okay, then again you have to means hold the triangle that corner, and you have to fold it till the another end, means center of the face towel.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
then hold the corner. Okay, left corner or whatever you have, you are means getting right or left corner first. And repeat the process with the another corner. Okay, the shape
Yes, sir.
will be like
Yes, sir.
this. Okay, now you have to fold it into half. This open end, it should be inside. Okay, you have to fold it like this.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it's getting a shape of
Okay, sir.
mouse face.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to hold it like this, and this is the ears
Ears.
of the mouse.
Mouse.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so it is very easy. It's not that much hard to make. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can use thumb pin for the eyes. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
be
Yes,
aware
sir.
of the mouse. It can come to your screen. So okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So anyone have any kind of questions? You can ask the questions also. Okay, in between. You can raise any kind of questions related to housekeeping or related to any kind of subject. Okay. So mouse is done. Then next we will make turkey. Okay. So have you seen turkey? Anyone of you?
It's a bird, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a bird. Okay. So for turkey we will use one bath towel and one hand towel. So again, you have to spread the towel. You have to hold it in the center. Okay, like this. You have to put the finger in the center, and you have to roll it from the left corner, like this. And you have to fold it tightly. Then only it will get a shape. Repeat the process from the another end, from the right corner. Again, the shape will be like this. Okay. Then you have to change the towel upside down. Okay, and then Then you have to hold these corners like this and you have to fold it. Okay, so this is the front face of turkey. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then from the, we will take the hand towel. From hand towel, we will make its from this we will make its wings. Okay, so for that you have to fold it like this and then so maybe you guys have tried this, means have you guys made fans from the paper in your childhood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Folding the paper like this, overlapping the each fold.
Yes, sir.
ओके, अगर आप लोगों ने बनाया हो कभी बचपन में ऐसा पेपर से,
Yes, sir.
तो
बनाया है.
Yes, sir.
it will be its wings. Okay, so it is your turkey. So now we will remove this and we'll make another towel art, that is crab. Okay, we will make the crab. So for crab we will use one hand towel. We will take one hand towel. You have to fold it till the center from both the corner. then you have to fold it with an open end. Okay, again from the both corner. So it should look like this. Okay. Then roll it from the open end by holding from the center. Okay, like
Okay,
this.
sir.
Okay. Then after folding like this, you have to grab a corner and you have to pull it out. And then same, repeat the process from the another end. Then from the left hand, you have to fold it into two and it will be like this. Guys, you can put something. Okay. So is it looking like a crab?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the crab. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Are you finding it interesting or not? or just
Yes,
watching?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, sir.
Or
Yes, sir.
are you learning something or not?
Yes, sir.
yes,
But
sir.
it can't be learned by only watching. You have to do the practice
Yes, sir.
for this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Absolutely, sir.
Video you can see lots of videos on YouTube, okay, or you can browse through Google. There are lots of towel arts you can made at home also from the
Yes, sir.
your means your personal towels also you can use, okay, or you can use your means anything you can use like your hanky, your towels, your bed sheets. Okay, so there are lots of towel arts which you can make at home also. And then
Yes, sir.
next towel art we will make lotus. How many you have tried lotus at home in your childhood? लोटस तो सबने बनाया होगा यार
Yes, sir.
रुमाल से,
sir.
है
Yes, sir.
गर्ल्स
No,
स्पेशली,
sir.
गर्ल्स ने नहीं बनाया किसी ने?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, but in my childhood there were lots of means girls who used to make lotus from their hanky. Okay, so for this you have to use a bath towel again, okay, and you have to
Yes, sir.
all the corners in the center of the towel, okay, from all four corner like this. Okay, then you have to flip it over
Yes, sir.
like this. You need to make sure that its folding should be properly.
Yes, sir.
So then again you have to fold it like this,
Yes, sir.
like this. This is the easiest towel folding. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you will
Open.
out the corner like this. Okay. The easiest towel art. Okay. This is your lotus art. So you can use flowers. Okay. In each corner to look it to means look it more better, to look it more nice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next towel art, that is elephant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
for elephant, again we will use a bath towel with a hand towel. Okay. So again you have
Yes,
to
sir.
spread the bath towel. So how many towel art we have made till yet? Guys,
7.
Yes, sir.
huh? 7.
Yes, sir.
This is the 7th one,
Yes, sir.
elephant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for this you have to fold the towel lengthwise till the center from both the end. Guys, keep asking question if you have any doubt. Okay.
Absolutely, sir.
Now you have to roll the towel from one corner to one end to another end. Okay. Like this. So in working in housekeeping, it needs lots of creativity, lots of eye for detail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to fold it till the center, and same process you have to repeat from another end till the center. Okay. So it will be
Yes, sir.
in a shape like this. So these are the elephant's legs. Okay. Now you have to hold it like this. Okay, and fold it from the center like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
you can
sir.
see 4 legs of elephant. Okay, it
Yes,
will
sir.
be like this. Okay, now we will make
Yes, sir.
the elephant face from the hand towel. Again, you have to spread it like this. Have to fold till the center. Have to make a triangle. Okay. Then put a finger in the center and roll it. Like this. Okay. Then repeat the process with the another end. It should be like this. Okay. Now you can see the ears of the elephant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you will put this to the leg. Okay. For the eyes, you can choose thumbprint. So it is your elephant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next towel art we will make, that is bunny. Bunny, you know what is bunny?
Yes, sir. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay. So now we will make rabbit. For this, again, we will use bath towel and hand towel. Okay. So repeat the process like we done in elephant, making elephant. Okay. Again, fold the towel into center from both the end. Sorry guys, there is a correction. You don't have to fold the towel. You just have to roll the towel from both the end till the center. Okay.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Ignore the earlier process. This is the actual one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have to roll the towel from both the sides till the center. Okay. Then fold it like this from the center. So now you can see the four rolls. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
have to hold each four corners. So you have to hold these four corners like this. Okay. And pull it like this. What is this? Guys, what you
Sir,
can see?
it look like a bit chicken.
Look like a tandoori chicken.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That you have to hang the towel like this. Okay. From this you can make a monkey also. You have to put a face in between and it will be converted into monkey. But now we are making.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is the means 4 legs of rabbit. Okay. From this side it is a chicken, but from this side it will be a rabbit. Okay.
Rabbit.
For that we have to make a face of rabbit
Yes,
first.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for that you required a bath towel. Sorry, hand towel. Okay.
Hand towel. Yes, sir.
For that, first you have to put a finger in center and roll it diagonally. Okay.
You have to do center.
Yes, center. Now you have to roll it till the center. Now what you have to do, you have to hold this corner, left corner, like this,
Yes, sir.
like elephant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to roll this hand whole around like this. You means pull this corner. These are the ears of rabbit. Okay. But it should be tied up so it can hold the open end of this towel. Okay, and it will be
Yes, sir.
like this. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The rabbit or bunny. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. I have told you, I have shown you 8 towel arts. Okay, and now on the day of housekeeping demonstration, at least you all have to show 2 towel art each. Okay, this is the assignment
Yes, sir.
for your demonstration day.
Sir.
Okay. Not for tomorrow, but for demonstration day. Okay, that is that
Okay, sir.
third week. Maybe it's in third week.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you guys have to make 2 towel art each. Okay, and then we will judge you guys on your demonstration, how you show your towel arts and how much time you will take, and then we will provide you the e-certificate on the basis of that. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now guys, if you have any kind of queries or any kind of questions, so you can ask me.
Sir,
Sir,
No questions?
sir, could you please tell them
No,
how
sir.
many towels we used for the elephant towel art?
For elephant, we have to use 1 bath towel and 1 hand towel.
Yes, sir.
For elephant, 1 bath towel and 1 hand towel. Okay. So bath towel will be for his to make his legs, and hand towel for his face. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions related?
hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, in the practical session, what if we don't have sufficient towels like those which you have?
I didn't get you. Can you please repeat the question?
Sir, you said that in the last we'll have some practical session. On basis of that, you will provide us e-certificate.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, what if we don't have sufficient towels? The ones you used in.
Actually, you don't need means a professional towel, you can use your means personal towels also. How many members in your home? How many members in your home you have?
Sir, till we are just two, sir. Me and my father here.